Can you imagine a world where artificial intelligence, or AI, takes up the mantle of creating our entertainment? Well, buckle up, because that world isn't a far-off fantasy. It's happening right here, right now. Consider the case of Sunspring. In 2016, this short film took the internet by storm. What made Sunspring unique wasn't its star-studded cast or a big-budget production. It was the fact that its script was entirely written by an AI, aptly named Benjamin. The result was a bizarre yet captivating narrative that left viewers intrigued and slightly bewildered. Through Sunspring, AI showed its potential as a scriptwriter, capable of creating content that, while unconventional, still managed to captivate audiences. Now, shift your attention to the music industry. In 2019, OpenAI's MuseNet composed a 4-minute song spanning 10 different styles from Mozart to the Beatles. The AI didn't just mimic these styles, it understood and applied them, creating a seamless flow from one genre to the next. The result was a medley that was not just impressive, but also enjoyable to listen to, demonstrating AI's capacity to understand and replicate the nuances of music. But it's not just about creating content. AI is also transforming the way content is distributed. Take the case of Netflix, a streaming giant that uses AI to personalize recommendations for its millions of users. By analyzing viewing habits and preferences, Netflix's AI can predict what a user might want to watch next, enhancing the viewer experience and ensuring that there's always something interesting to watch. And let's not forget about gaming. AI is making waves here too. In 2021, Google's DeepMind developed an AI that can play complex video games like StarCraft 2 at a high level. This isn't just about creating better opponents for gamers to play against. It's about creating more immersive and dynamic gaming experiences, where AI characters can adapt and respond in ways that were previously unthinkable. So what does all this tell us about the role of AI in the entertainment industry? 3 key takeaways emerge. First, AI is not just a tool for content creation, it's a potential creator in its own right, capable of generating unique and engaging content. Second, AI can enhance the distribution of content, making it more personalized and immersive. Finally, the use of AI in entertainment isn't just a novelty or a gimmick, it's a transformative force, capable of reshaping the industry in profound and exciting ways. The world of entertainment is on the cusp of an AI revolution. From films and music to streaming services and video games, AI is changing the game. And while it's impossible to predict exactly what the future holds, one thing is clear: AI's role in the entertainment industry is set to be a blockbuster.